Saving with Shay. It is late, y'all. We had to keep Josiah home from school today because he's not feeling good. So I'm barely getting out. It's like 11:30. And so I'm hoping that I can knock out this as quickly as I can. But if you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, I am Shay with the guns. Can you see him through this? I'm hot with this shirt on. Let me tell y'all. I'm hot with the shirt on. Guns, definitely subscribe. Also, make sure you smash like button, support your girl. So for my midweek, I need was it 15? It was either 15 or 18 for $1. All right, whack, go. But because I was doing the deal at Food for Less, I mentioned in my last video, I hit it. Otherwise, I probably wouldn't have even tried. All right. So I did hit it today. As far as the Dollar Tree deal, all of my receipts went through this morning. The Tic Tac went through as well. I probably won't do it though, because I don't have a reason to go to Dollar Tree, but for that, and it's already like 11:30, and so I know the receipts are going to be super faded. And so I'm not even going to bother with it, at least not today. If the puzzle books and stuff reset for us on Sunday, because it is a weekly promotion, then I will do it then, if it's still available for both, if both are still available. I did try, I tried one today at Walmart this morning, and I tried it for Easy Bucks. So I'm going to see if it goes through. Now, I was having some issues this morning submitting my receipt on Easy Bucks. It kept sending me the verification code like 15 minutes late, right? By the time I enter it, it's too late. It's old. I have to do it again. I had to keep doing that. I want to say maybe an hour, maybe even an hour and a half. And so I ended up just trying again, and it finally sent me the code like faster, where I was able to enter it. Like I had to do that just in order to submit my receipt. Probably because this is my first time submitting a receipt on that app. And so it is working as of now. My receipt did go into review though, so I'll let you guys know how that works out. Luckily, it's here at Walmart, so I feel better returning stuff to Walmart than I do to Dollar Tree. But other than that, we're going to head into Walmart. We're going to see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab today. If you want to see what your girl out to do, keep on watching.
Hey guys, so listen, I was excited to see that the Butterfinger and the Butterfinger, because we don't sell the Crunch in our area. Well, at least I haven't found it yet. But as y'all know, you cannot always rely on the Walmart app because they're not always 100%. Because I didn't think they had the Butterfinger salted caramel in my area, and apparently they do. So they're priced at $134, I want to say. Getting back $1.25 on Ibotta. I was so happy that offer went up. But the limit is a limit of 3. So I'm going to go ahead and grab a set for Walmart Rewards as well as Ibotta. Making it 9 cents now. If you can find the Crunch in your area, it's $1.25 as well. Price the same, makes us 9 cents. So I was kind of sad that they don't have the Crunch, because I like some Crunch. The other thing that I grabbed up here was the body armor. That offer is no longer available on Ibotta. It is priced at $2.38, getting back $2, limit of 5. I did that one for Walmart Rewards as well as Ibotta. But I literally got all they had left, and I think I did 5 for Ibotta and 4 for Walmart Rewards. I also went ahead and submitted for $1 back when you buy 2 on Swagbucks and Checkout 51, which I did get. Actually, I take that back. Swagbucks is still in review. So would make 2 of them $1.24 moneymaker, or if you buy 5, it would make them all free plus a 10-cent moneymaker. And so either way it goes, it's still a moneymaker. So this next deal is on the Ocean Spray Pure. It's priced at $5.74 for this. You want to grab 2, you'll pay $11.48, getting back 7 on Swagbucks, $1.25 for each on Checkout 51. It brings them down to 99 cents each. Now there are offers on, or there is an offer on Shopkick as well, which will probably make it a little cheaper. And so, yeah. So this next deal is on the eggs from plants. It is priced at $7.36. I saw this on Instagram. I'll pop up who I saw posted. It's an aisles offer, making this absolutely free. I'll have a link for you, and I'll probably put it in the description this time. And so, yeah, not a bad deal. I already know. You don't have to tell me. We don't need no warmers. We need oils. Can we get some oils? Thank you. I went ahead and did this deal again. I figured why not? It's on the Glade Warmer single. It's priced at $178. Getting it back on Ibotta makes it free. Went ahead and grabbed a one. Oh, I grabbed a one. I grabbed one for Walmart Rewards as well. And so, okay, we also had the Glade air fresheners reset as well. $2.38. Getting back $1.50 makes it 88 cents if I remember. I'm gonna pass on it for now, but if I get a good bonus tomorrow, which I ain't crossing my fingers and toes for, then I'll probably do it. All right, so the stem, this popped back up on Ibotta. I wish it was on like some other apps. It's priced at $14.48 on rollback, getting back $10 on Ibotta, brings it down to $4.48. All right, so this next deal is on the OxyClean. I see that one right here. I think that's the only one that I see. It's probably right in my face. If you see it, just act like you don't see it so I don't look like I'm blind, even though I am blind. They also have this one down here in the can. It's priced at $4.98. You want to grab a total of 2 of them. That total is going to come to $9.96, getting back $3.50 on Swagbucks for buying 2. There's also a total of $3 on checkout 51, bringing that down to $173 each. Now there are offers on Shopkick, so check there as well. So next up is the Purcell. I was super close. The last time I did the Purcell for the threshold offer on Fetch Reward, spend 30, get back 3. I think I was like 3 and some change away. So I might grab another Purcell, priced at $5.44. I'll be using the $2 peely for this. That'll end up paying $3.44, getting back 2 on Ibotta and 3 on Fetch, making this $1.56 moneymaker. I came here first thing this morning to see if I could find some puzzle books, crossword puzzles, but I couldn't find any that were cheap. I saw somebody post on Instagram. They had some that were potentially like 97, 98 cents. I couldn't find any. As a matter of fact, I couldn't even find the books. I was like, where is the books? I was looking. I checked the checkout stands. I checked the arts and craft aisle. There are some books over there. And then, yeah, they're all over here in electronics. And so I grabbed one this morning, y'all. I'm going to try it and see if it works on EasyBucks. This is the one that I tried. I don't know if it's gonna work though, but it just says coloring on it, so I'm hoping that it works. This is the one I tried right here, for 97 cents. Yeah, I tried this one here for 97 cents. So I grabbed a total of 4 of them. I ended up paying $3.88. I'm really crossing my fingers that it works for EasyBucks. Getting back 10 will make it a $6.12 moneymaker. And so yeah. Next up is the L'Oreal Hydro Renewal. I'm actually debating on grabbing this for Walmart Rewards too. It's priced at $6.42. I'm getting back $5 on Ibotta. We'll make this $1.42. I think I'm actually gonna do one on both. And so yeah. Okay, really quick, I think I'm gonna try the CoverGirl pencil. They've been on rollback for a minute now at $2.88. We have an offer on checkout 51 for $3, which will make this a 12-cent moneymaker. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it and see if it works. I'll let you know. Okay, so this is the last deal. It's on the Zentoes, and I'll pop up who I saw post this because I can't remember who it was. This is a WeStock offer. I'll have a link in the description. The cheapest one is this one here. It's priced at $7.54. You're going to get that back, making this absolutely free. All right, guys. So here is our complete haul for today. This was pretty easy peasy, like super easy. What you don't see on the table is the chips, which are on the floor. I did the Fritos twice. I did the Cheetos twice. And so yeah, that was like 20 offers, 20 rebates. And so yeah, so everything up here worked out good. Now really quick with the body armor, I did do it for Walmart Rewards as well as Ibotta. I did Walmart Rewards one day, and then once I got my sucky midweek, and I went back the next day and I did it for Ibotta because I was thinking I was gonna get something good, but shows how much I don't know. I didn't get nothing good. And so
they only had 4, and I kind of knew they only had like a little bit left the day before. So I kind of put them on a certain register and was like, okay, hopefully they're still there, and they were there. They only had 4 though. So we did that a total of 9 times. I submitted 2 Swagbucks, I believe, my points, and then both Checkout 51 accounts. Checkout 51s went through. Swagbucks is still pending, and my points went through already. As far as what else? We did L'Oreal twice, Butterfinger twice. What else did I do twice? Glade twice. And so yeah, everything worked out good. I used up almost all of my Walmart rewards. I had to do a bunch of returns today, so yeah. I feel like I was saving them all for today so that I wouldn't have to keep going back. And so I had a lot of Walmart rewards that I used. They went back to my account because of that. And so yeah, other than that, the receipt for EasyBucks is still processing. I expect that it won't clear. If it clears, it'll clear tomorrow, I'm thinking. Or either tomorrow or tonight. In review for 4 days. So yeah. Other than that, everything here worked out really, really good. I'm actually looking forward to trying them eggs from plants. I am. I hope they taste okay. I've tried the Just brand before and it was alright. So, but I figure, hey, if I don't like them, I can always add some eggs from chickens to it. It might taste better. But anyway, so let's make this quick. Everything here worked out good, like I said. I have like a gazillion receipts. A gazillion. The receipt, the OTC coupons for the Coke. I didn't mention that in the video. Totally forgot. But I did post that OTC offer on my community tab a few days ago. It didn't last long. It did last longer, however, than the one that I posted before that. That one died really quick. But I did grab 2 of these yesterday and 2 of them today. $2.38, that OTC. After you hit total, you scan the barcode of your OTC coupon, it automatically takes it off. I did do 2 per receipt or per transaction. It worked out perfectly fine for that, which was cool. I did it like 6 or 7 times, different email addresses, and so I still got like 3 left. And so yeah, and we really didn't care too much for the orange cream soda. I mean, we'll probably drink it. They didn't have sugar free, but actually no, I'll save it for when my sister and the niece and nephew come over because they'll probably like it. And so other than that, I think we covered everything else. I did say the Tic Tacs, it did work. Hopefully the books, the puzzle books, will reset for us on Sunday because that's when their offers, the weekly offers reset on Sundays. And obviously the monthly ones reset on the 1st of the month. And so hopefully it resets for us and we can do that again on Sunday, which will be really, really awesome. You guys gave me some flipping phenomenal ideas as far as places to donate those to. And so I'm definitely going to look into that because I know that I'm not going to use them. And so other than that, let's breeze through this. So everything that you see here retails $141.36. I had $11.52 in coupons. That brought the out-of-pocket down to $129.84. And dang, I feel like I submitted to everywhere, y'all. I feel like I did. I feel like my list of rebate apps hasn't been this big in a long time. But we start off with Ibotta at $44.03. Walmart Rewards, $20.53. Swagbucks was $18. My Points is $14.42. Inbox dollars was 10. Tada was 10. EasyBucks, hopefully, crossing fingers, should be 10. Checkout 51 was 8. WeStock, $7.54. Aisles was $7.36. I already got that back for the eggs, which is cool. It pretty much went straight through. And then Fetch Reward was $3. WeStock, they ask you a bunch of little questions when you submit for that. And so getting back a total of $152.88, it brings all of this you see here to a $23.04 moneymaker, which is really, really awesome. Hopefully EasyBucks works on those coloring books that I got because literally the receipt just says book. So I'm hoping it works. Let me show you the receipt. Literally, look, it just says book.
So I'm hoping that it works. If it does, that'll be awesome because I'll just go and get coloring books again. Because I'd rather get coloring books than, well, I don't know. I'll get them both, whatever. Moneymaker is a moneymaker. I don't care what it is. Anyways, other than that, I hope you guys appreciate this video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button. Where's our emoji bug? Ice. Ice cubes. Ice cube. Get it? Ice cube. No, if you make it to the end, ice cubes in the comments. Other than that, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button, like I said, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.